Hello, Your Highness! My name's Johannes!
And I am John.
And we are Johannes and John! Today is very exciting day for me and not for John. Sorry, my love. I drag him out of the bed. Wake up! Because today is the day, guys. Lilibutin natin ang mga Trader Joe's stores dahil kagabi daw, last night, there was a delivery and then lahat ng colors ay available ng ating mga Trader Joe's bags. So isa-isahin natin yung mga stores. We have like 4 stores na malapit sa amin. Puntahan natin yung 4 na stores na malapit sa amin na Trader Joe's at mamili tayo ng mga insulated bags kasi sobrang dami na kasi ng orders, like 200 orders na. Pero kasi dahil may limit na 6 lang per person, kaya 6 sa akin, 6 sa kay Jan. So iniisip ko, hopefully may mga kasabayan tayo ng mga Pinay no, na mag-order ng 1 or 2 lang. Tapos sabihin natin na gawin na lang nilang 6 para hindi masayang yung pagpila nila and bibilihin na lang namin sa kanila. So parang yun yung iniisip ko. Pero sabi ni Jan, ay wag mong gawin yan. Tayo lang ang pipila. Wag na tayong mang-istorbo sa iba. Which is true din, guys. Baka anong sabihin din kasi ng ibang mga Pinay, di ba? Alam mo naman, ng ibang mga Pinay, baka naman magalit. Ano ba to si Johannes, oh? So kung ano lang yung madala natin, kung sino lang yung maka-accommodate natin, hindi po natin mabibigyan lahat, guys. So sa 4 na stores na makikita nyo ngayon, guys, kung gaano kahaba yung pila. Kasi sabi, sobrang haba daw ng pila at agahan mo sa pagpila dahil nagkakaubusan talaga. First 1 hour pa lang, nauubos na ang mga stocks. So tignan natin kung ano ang sitwasyon ng mga Trader Joe's dito sa Florida. Sa ibang store pala, they only allow 3 pieces, 2 pieces, 3 pieces. Only in Florida, 6 pieces. Florida is special. Hi guys, update tayo. 4 minutes na lang at darating na tayo sa first store na pupuntahan natin. At ina-anticipate ko na talaga, guys, na mahaba yung pila kasi sabay-sabay yung kanilang delivery kasi last night sa lahat ng mga stores. So far, may tinawagan ako na stores kahapon, 3 stores yun, and then they all said na may delivery daw last night. So for sure marami ang pila ngayon. Pero this store that we're going to go first, I didn't call last night or yesterday and hopefully it's available. Oh, kinakabahan ako. How much gas do we have right now?
Half a tank.
Okay. So I think we will also
next right onto Strickland
buy
Way,
gas
and
later,
then turn
guys.
right.
Hi guys, so we got our first order and it's 12 pieces. Kakabukas lang ng store nila, guys. 8 AM sila nagbukas. And then, hindi naman pala mahaba yung pila, guys. Inagahan pa naman namin kasi akala namin sobrang haba ng pila. Kasi sa ibang stores daw pala, guys, like in California, sobrang haba daw talaga ng pila. May isa akong follower na nag-send talaga sa akin ng picture na nakapila sila. Talagang ang pila talaga, guys, literal na mahaba na parang snake. Paliko-liko talaga siya, guys. Buti na lang dito sa first store na pinuntahan namin is hindi siya wala talagang pila, guys. May mga maraming bumibili pero hindi talaga yung sobra kahaba ang pila.
See, the next place is 41 minutes away.
Nagrereklamo na si John, guys. Naku, kung marunong lang talaga ako mag-drive, no? Naku, ako lang talaga ang aalis, guys. Kasi naaawa din naman ako sa kay John. Na dinadrag ko siya kanina. Inaantok pa yan siya, guys. Kasi nga, late na siya natulog kagabi. Tapos sabi ko, wala man. Alangan naman kung mag-Uber ako, malulugi ako lalo, guys. Nandito na tayo ngayon sa pangalawang store ng Trader Joe's pero hindi pa namin siya nakikita. Super Source and second store. Ayan, katatapos lang namin dito sa second store and nakakuha kami ngayon ng 2 bags. Next store naman tayo, guys. It's another 30 minutes dear, no? Baka magtaka kayo guys ha na wala akong kinukuhang video sa loob. Bawal kasi mag-video sa loob guys, kaya nire-respeto natin ang kanilang rules and regulation. Ngayon papunta naman tayo sa third store. Medyo malayo, scattered talaga ang mga stores nila dito guys. 45 minutes, 30 minutes, 50 minutes. Hi guys, update 9:36 AM na at nag-iikot pa din kami ni Jan. We're on to the next store. This is gonna be the third store. And let's see kung mayroon pa tayong maabutan because they already opened 30 minutes ago. So hopefully they have more bags left. Let's see what they got. So, it's near the road.
Yeah, very different. That's
Very different,
Mhm.
Third store. Ayan guys, tapos na kami sa third store. Sa fourth store naman kami ngayon. Actually 5 store or 6 na store. Tignan natin kung ilan yung kaya nating bilhin ngayon. So dahil 6 lang ang inaalaw nila per person guys, kaya naman wala kaming choice talaga guys kung hindi pumunta sa iba-ibang stores like 5 stores or 6 stores, and then tomorrow babalik na lang ulit tayo, no, para ma-fulfill natin, ma-accommodate natin lahat ng mga orders ng bags. So kahit na mahirap guys, gagawin namin ito para sa inyo po, kasi yung iba talaga guys is nagmamakaawa talaga sila na sana makabili, padalhan mo kami dito kasi wala yan siya dito, and gustong gusto namin yung bag na yan. Naiintindihan po namin yan guys, kaya wag kayong mag-alala, sisikapin po namin kahit na sobrang layo, kahit na sobrang pagod. Actually guys, walang pila. Okay? So ano lang pala yun na maraming pila or what, pero ito walang pila sa lahat. So far sa pang-apat na store na napuntahan namin, wala pong pila, kaya okay lang po guys, wala pong problema. So ayan na po yung mga bags. Ilang bags na yan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 na. So meron pa tayong hopefully siguro mga ilang stores ba ang Trader Joe's na malapit dito sa amin. Hey guys, on to our 5th store. Woohoo!
Here we go.
We're aiming 8 stores today. 8 stores
8
today.
stores. We'll go all the way down to Key West.
We're gonna go vacation. Oh yeah, because we already have the money. $1,000 sales. Woohoo!
Gonna run out of gas soon.
Ay, oo nga, magpagas tayo, darling. Papagas muna kami, guys. We will go full tank, okay?
Maybe
I got you.
instead of lunch, I want a massage.
Okay, this is our 5th store. Pang-5 store na ito guys. Ayan, inikot na namin ang buong US. Iikutin natin ang buong Amerika. Ikutin natin ang buong Amerika guys para makuha ang mga orders ninyo.
Oh.
Nag-agree na si John guys. Okay, done with our 6th store na. And then going na kami. Ayan, how many stores you're seeing there? 10 in our area, right?
Isn't that a Pembroke Pines?
Okay guys, let me tell you this. The reason why Filipinos in the US are still ordering bags from me, even if it's expensive guys, is because number 1, they don't have time to go in the store and fall in line because the other stores are crazy. The line's crazy, the line's long, it's like a snake. Okay, and they fall in line early in the morning and they have like a job. They work in a medical field. They even barely have enough sleep. They even barely, yeah. So that's one thing. The next thing is the store is far away from their house. Like they have to travel, like one comment, they have to travel 2 to 3 hours just to buy the bag. And they don't want to do that. So they just, okay, I'll just pay whatever. So, and what we're doing also is going extra mile. No? And literally miles, because how many miles to go to each stores?
Oh, lots of miles.
Extra mile talaga guys, no?
We just used up $10 in tolls already.
Oh?
Yeah.
Oh, kagaya niyan. Nag-ano na tayo sa toll, nagbayad tayo sa toll. So,
See, the credit card refreshed the SunPass.
So maraming factors din guys. Ang pagod ni Jan, ang pagod ko, and then what else? We didn't have breakfast yet. And then we need to gas up the car full tank. How much is the full tank? 60, right?
Yeah, 60 something.
$60. We have the full tank. Earlier, when we started, half tank yun. Now, it's getting low now, right? $60 is the budget for the gas. And then, we have to go to the Staples also because we didn't have the right box. So, that's another expenses.
Jollibee.
I found Jollibee. Would you like to go now?
Go now.
Papunta na tayo ngayon guys sa 7th store. Ang layo na nang nilakbay namin ni John guys. Makakuha lang ng mga maraming bags. Eh ganun talaga. Wala naman tayong magagawa guys. Kasi pinaglimitahan nila eh.
That's Michael Kors over there, huh?
Turn right at the end of the road and then
Seems like we're
turn
right.
left.
Right.
Nandito na tayo. Malapit na tayo sa Jollibee. There's Jollibee.
Turn right.
You think they'll recognize you here?
Mm-hmm. Hello, Your Highness. My name's Johannes.
And I am John.
And we are Johannes and John. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Jollibee guys at mag-order tayo ng mga paborito nating pagkaing Pinoy. Okidoki. Jollibee, here we are. Okay, mag-order na kami dito. So go. Okay. Skip. And then, at least meron na tayong ma-orderan dito. Okay, let's go with the meal deals.
That one.
This one? That's it. Okay, perfect pairs. 1 piece spaghetti with chicken joy. And then palabok. This one. 1 piece palabok. Original. You want the spicy or original?
care.
Okay. This one. Maybe we add fries. Just one. Add 4 and add. Okay, last is we want the sides.
You already have fries coming or something. You already ordered fries.
This one, ube pie, and then another sides, mango pie, and that's it.
Alright.
So medyo matagal na kami naghintay dito guys, siguro mga 30 plus minutes na. And then mali yung time nila. Ang nakalagay na time dito is 3:36 PM. And then ang time pala ngayon ay 11:47 PM. So mali yung kanilang time.
So I suggest don't use the kiosk again.
Aha. 56 yung nabayaran namin na bill. $56 for 1 2-piece burger steak, no drinks, 1 adobo rice, chicken joy spaghetti, large fries, chicken joy palabok, ube pie, mango pie, and Angus cheeseburger. Katatapos lang natin mag-order dito sa Jollibee. Sa bahay na natin ito kakainin guys kasi anong oras na eh. Kapag magdadine, may pupuntahan pa kasi kami na store ngayon. So sa bahay na lang tayo kakain. Alright, next stop natin guys, magpapagas tayo sa Costco. Look at the line. Ooh. Grabe guys, no? I can't imagine how many gas, how many liters, how many tons, no? They sell in one day. How many sales, how many profit? This
Gallon after
Costco.
gallon.
Gallon after gallon after
How
gallon.
many times does a truck come a day?
Oo nga, ang truck pa. You think that truck has a business, right? They are the refill. They will refill.
Yes.
Okay. I thought they will order gas for their business. No, just like in the province.
No, that's the delivery truck.
Yun pala yung delivery truck. Ito na guys, kami na next. Tignan natin kung magkano yung mabayaran ni John. Hey guys, so finally that ends our shopping for today. We went to 8 stores, maybe 9. Maybe 9. So around Florida. So look at our look at our car. There's a lot and it's full, and then nandito pa sa harap yung iba, and we're very hungry now. We're going home now and we're gonna eat Jollibee. That's our lunch, and thank you so much guys. We cannot give everybody their orders.
Home.
So probably
Sorry, I could not find a saved address for home.
okay, nandito na kami ngayon sa Staples. And we're gonna bring our bag. Only one. Because we're gonna check if it fits in a box. Ito para matry natin para hindi we're not wasting our time.
Very low stocks.
Low stocks, no? So wala silang 12 by 6 by 6, no? That's what we need. 12 by 6 by 6. So not available. Try natin sa kabilang store.
This is our second Staples.
Yay, it's available. Buti na lang talaga available ang boxes, guys, na hinahanap namin dito. Ito yung saktong measurement, guys, na hinahanap ko. Kasi sabi namin kanina, kung hindi pa talaga kami makakuha nito, dito sa store na ito, mag-order na lang talaga kami online. At ito na, guys, siguro 30 to 40 ka-boxes ang kinuha namin. Kasi yung mga order ng mga customers, guys, tag 5, tag 10, tag 3 sets, 4 sets, 5 sets. Hello, Your Highness! My name's Johannes!
And I am John.
We are
Johannes
and
and
John! We have here food from Jollibee and magmumukbang tayo, guys. First on the list. Anak! Ay, naawas Kierling! Wow! Palabok with chicken. Tagal ko nang hindi nakakain ito kaya nag-crave talaga ako. Ito naman yung next. Spaghetti with spicy chicken. First, number 3, John's favorite. Burger steak with adobo rice. Wow. Oh, it's still hot, darling, ha?
Yeah, because of the bag.
And then we have fries. Yung fries natin, I think, needs to be reheated. Hala, umaapaw talaga siya, darling. Look. The fries also is, wow.
Still hot?
No, it's overflowing.
Oh.
And then there's burger. What do you call this burger, dear?
Beef burger, buffalo, I don't know.
Buffalo or something. We have the ube pie and then the peach mango pie. And then we have the gravy.
Bison burger?
Okay. So, let's throw it away first. We have to reheat, darling, no? You have to reheat that?
Yep.
Okay. So, i-reheat lang ni Jan. Get that too, darling. Maybe you put the fries also, no?
Maybe I start the fryer and refry them.
Reheat or air fry?
Same difference.
Okay. Ay, meron silang lime. I think this is for the palabok.
Gulat ako sa serving, guys, ng kanilang palabok at spaghetti dito sa US kasi compare sa Pilipinas, parang mas marami ang serving dito. Or ako lang ba nakapansin or kayo din?
And then, our dessert, the mango pie. Ayan. Kitapon muna natin to. It will be good. It will be better.
Maybe.
Ayan, excited na ako. Gutom na ako, guys. Kaso nga lang, kailangan natin siyang i-reheat. Pati yung chicken, na-reheat na rin namin. And then yung palabok at saka yung spaghetti, hindi na natin i-reheat. Kasi medyo mainit pa siya. At saka yung burger, hindi na natin siya i-reheat. Excited na ako. At saka yung pie, hindi natin yung i-reheat, guys. Kasi mapapasok talaga yung dila natin pag i-reheat natin yun. Hala, ang daming bunga ng mangga natin, guys. Oh. Wow! Ayun. Ayun, no?
Yum.
Yummy!
Sure the rice doesn't need to be heated?
No. You can't put it here, Jeff. Mhm. Yep.
Both of them.
Yep. Wow. Look at that. That needs to have a picture. Where's your gravy? Picturean ko muna guys ha. We're gonna take a picture first. Tara! Mukbang tayo! Jollibee!
You
Wow!
want a plate?
Yeah, I can.
You're gonna eat with your fingers.
Burger steak, adobo rice, and of course the chicken, fries, dessert natin, mango pie, and then may burger pa tayo. And then may tag-isang gravy kami ni Jan dito. Let's eat! Mm.
In case you want ketchup.
Mm-hmm. Okay. All right.
I think you need a spoon.
Jolly Spaghetti! Mm. I-mix ko muna itong Jolly Spaghetti natin, guys. Grabe, umaapaw talaga. Ganito talaga sa US, guys, oh. Ganito sila mag-serving. Umaapaw at saka there's more sauce. Nilalagyan nila ng, ayan oh, ganyan kadami ang sauce nila dito sa Amerika, guys, sa kanilang Jollibee. At saka maraming cheese. Maraming cheese. Tignan ninyo, oh. Looks like it's dark, no? The one.
Yes, the thing is, your phone is not okay.
Something's wrong with my phone. The GoPro is better. Jolly Spaghetti! Ayan guys, sobrang dami ng sauce talaga. Mm. Mm. Ito yung na-miss ko na spaghetti. Manamis-namis, maalat-alat at mas cheesy siya dito sa US. Tignan ninyo. Mm. Ganito yung one serving nila ha. Mm. Mm? Wow. Umaapaw. Ang in-order ko kasi is spaghetti with chicken. Ipatikim natin kay Jan guys ha. Ayan o. Mm. Ipatikim natin sa kay Jan. Dali dear.
Mm-hmm.
No? But it's not as sweet as in the Philippines, no? Looks like there's something in their sauce.
It's more tomatoey.
Oo, more tomato eh. Ayan, oh guys, Jolly Spaghetti. Mm. And then,
Do you want to unwrap this?
yeah.
You need to heat it up though.
Okay. Guys, this is the chicken burger. Initin lang ni Jan. Ay, this is Angus. Angus burger ni Jollibee.
Looks
Yeah.
good. It's a big patty.
Yep. I-reheat lang ni Jan, guys. While waiting for that, I'm gonna show you naman, guys, palabok. Nag-reheat pa kasi si Jan. Ay, wala. Ay, may kalamansi tayo. Kuha tayong kalamansi sa garden natin. Saglit lang, guys. Kuha tayong kalamansi kasi masarap yan pag may kalamansi eh. Siyempre, may kalamansi tayo dito. Iba talaga pag may sarili kang pananim sa garden mo, guys, no? Kasi anytime na pagkailangan mo, labas ka lang. Ayan, oh. O kagaya nito. Meron na tayong kalamansi. Gutom na gutom kami kasi hindi kami nag-breakfast kanina. We didn't eat breakfast. That's why we're very hungry. Ayan.
No breakfast and busy.
We're very busy as well. Wow, the
Yeah.
Angus.
Have a bite of the burger.
Mmm. It's good, huh? Mmm.
Good patty, yeah.
Okay. Jollibee palabok. Kanina pa kasi ito guys, kaya medyo tumigas na siya. So, siguro 30 minutes dear, no? Since we bought this. So, that's why it's a little bit, dry.
Yeah, it's been longer than 30.
Ayan o. So, tikman natin. We will ask John which one is his favorite, palabok or spaghetti.
The spaghetti,
But
that one I know is,
You know this one already?
yeah,
So, you like the spaghetti?
spaghetti's gonna be better.
Mas gusto ni Jan ang spaghetti.
That's
Hindi
okay.
pa niya natitikman ito guys, pero mas gusto na niya ang spaghetti.
I think it needs to be heated up.
Ayan. So, i-mix well lang natin siya. Okay. Jollibee palabok. You wanna try?
How come I'm not in the video?
Pinatikim ko.
It's okay, I like the wheat noodles better.
You like the what noodles?
Wheat,
Mm. Okay. That's good. And then try natin yung rice. So meron sila dito guys na adobo rice. Ito naman yung adobo rice ni Jollibee. Ilalagay natin yan dito sa ating burger steak, yung adobo rice. You have a spoon right there earlier. Ow. Okay. Adobo rice with burger steak naman ang itatry natin. Gusto ko talaga yung burger steak. Ever since, nagtrabaho ko sa Jollibee 2025 to 2026. Isa ito sa mga meal, crew meal na nire-request ko every time na lumalagpas ako ng 8 hours. Oh, wow. Ang sarap. Guys, adobo rice with burger steak is the best. Wow.
As far as I remember pala guys, di ba nagtrabaho ako dati sa Jollibee for almost 2 years. Kapag nakaabot yung trabaho namin ng 4 hours or up to 6 hours, mamimili kami kung ano yung crew meal namin. It's either burger meal, yung Y1 yung tawag namin dyan guys. Sino yung mga Jolly babies dito? Y1, and then spaghetti, and then burger steak, 1-piece burger steak. Tapos kung umabot naman kami ng parang 8 hours yung aming duty sa trabaho, ang aming crew meal ay 1-piece chicken, or kung umabot naman ng 10 hours, parang 1-piece chicken with spaghetti. Kung marami kang oras ng trabaho, yung aabot ka talaga ng 12 hours, super meal. Yun po. So, i-reheat ko lang itong adobo rice natin, guys, at saka yung ating burger steak kasi parang hindi siya ganun kasarap, guys, na kainin kapag medyo malamig. Kaya initin lang muna natin siya ng very light.
Guys, Jollibee chicken with spaghetti and palabok. Jollibee Chicken Joy! Ooh! Wow! Still crispy. Of course, hindi pwedeng walang adobo rice with burger steak. Adobo rice with burger steak. Mapapasayaw ka sa sarap. Mm.
That's like a Wendy's burger.
Mm. It's dry.
No, it's not bad.
Okay.
You got onions and pickles and all kinds of stuff on it. Bread's fresh.
Palabok. With chicken. Mm. Mm. Good cholesterol.
Is it spicy?
Ah, not so much. Mm-hmm. Spaghetti. So guys, imagine we paid $56. How much is that in peso? $56. Siguro nasa 2,500 to, let's say, kasi mataas ng palitan ngayon, to 3,000 pesos. Ito po siya ang makuha ninyo. ₱3,000. No drinks. Tell me guys if it's worth it. $56 dear. Tell me if it's worth it. 3,000 pesos.
There's
You
a-
get 2 burger steak with adobo rice. We have the spaghetti with chicken. Palabok with chicken. 1 burger, 1 large fries, and 2 dessert. Mango pie.
Besides the dessert, it's enough for 6 people.
So 56 is enough for 6 people.
Yeah, I think so.
$56.
Because you have the pasta,
Mm-hmm.
burger, 2 burger steaks,
Mm-hmm.
a very large fry. You could cut the chicken in half.
Mm-hmm.
2 or 3 servings of pasta each. Maybe 2, I don't know.
So 6 people.
I think a family, yeah,
Mm-hmm.
as long as you're not too big a eater.
So
But
guys,
there's enough for a lunch, for sure.
so let's rate their based on what you really like to the least that you don't really like. Which one is number 1?
The French fries.
Oh?
Yeah.
Because it's reheated. One's reheated.
Refried.
Mhm.
Oh, they're crispy, they're good. I don't think they're...
It's like shoestring, no? Mm. Okay siya kay Jam. And you know what, when you dip it in gravy,
Mhm.
much better. Your second is?
Second would be the fried chicken.
Okay.
Oh,
You know what? There's trivia there. This is named world's famous chicken joy in the US. World gani. In the US, this is number 1 chicken.
it's also probably a toss-up between the burger steak and the chicken. And then the
For the
burger,
pasta,
then the hamburger,
mm-hmm.
and then the pasta. This would be at least...
The
That's-
palabok. You don't really
yeah,
like the palabok.
no, that's-
Okay.
It's okay, but I wouldn't order that for me.
So, hindi namin mauubos ito actually, guys. And hindi na rin ito masarap for tomorrow. Mm. Grabe, ang daming nakain. Gusto ko talaga tong adobo rice nila. There's no adobo rice in the Philippines.
Can't be hard to make.
I mean in Jollibee, huh? It's not in their menu.
What's in there?
Plain rice or fried rice?
What's in the adobo rice?
Maybe chicken adobo. I don't know. Maybe pork adobo. So John's number 1 is French fries,
Favorite food?
followed by chicken, Thai with burger steak. I have John try the ube pie and peach mango pie. Peach mango pie and ube pie. So, let's open it.
What's ube pie?
I think this is mango pie. Peach mango pie. Ooh, look at that. Peach mango pie. Okay, one for you.
Alright, is this diabetes approved?
1, 2, 3.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. It's really good. Okay, next. Ubi pie. Ooh, wow. Look at that. Tulo. Wow. Do you like ube or peach mango?
Peach mango is better.
Mas gusto ni Jan ang peach mango. Ako both. Tulo-tulo. Oh wow. It's really good. Jollibee skin.
Hand me the burger.
Maraming salamat sa panunood at sa walang sawang suporta niyo sa journey namin dito sa Amerika. Malayo-layo na rin ang narating ng business na ito at hindi magiging posible ang lahat kung wala kayo. Special mention nga pala sa ating mga kababayan na hindi lang naging subscribers ni Johannes and John, kung hindi naging loyal customers at ngayon ay parang pamilya at kaibigan na rin. Maraming salamat sa inyong tiwala at pagmamahal at patuloy na suporta. Sa buhay, hindi talaga mawawala ang pagsubok. Ilang beses man tayong madapa, mapagod, umawala ng pag-asa, kailangan pa rin nating bumangot, lumaban. Lahat ng challenges ay dumarating sa atin ay parte ng proseso para mas tumatag tayo at mas maging handa sa mas malalaking blessings na darating. Kaya sa lahat ng may mga pangarap dyan na nanonood sa atin ngayon, huwag kayong sumuko ha. Kahit mabagal ang usad, basta tuloy-tuloy lang. Gamitin natin ang talent at kakayahan na meron tayo sa mabuting paraan at sa bagay na makakatulong sa pamilya at pangarap natin. Tandaan ninyo, bawat hirap may kapalit na ginhawa at bawat problema may solusyon. Again, thank you so much sa inyong lahat. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa vlog natin na ito. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe para mas madami pa tayong pagsasaluhan sa mga susunod na videos. God bless po sa inyong lahat. Ingat palagi and see you on the next vlog. Bye-bye!